How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. I got this is a Mayhew combo. Buy 62254, get free 61044. So this is a big promotion from Mayhew. Let's open this box up and take a look. Okay. Alright, so they are individually wrapped. Cool. 14-piece Pro Punch and Chisel Kit. And then you have a 12-piece Pro Pilot Punch Kit. Let's take a look at this one first. Here, we're just going to cut that. I'm afraid I'm going to cut my fingers on those staples. I remember doing that. This one to the side. Got the part number into here. Feels very durable. Wow, okay. Flap that up, and there we go. We got all of our punches in here. Let's see, they even have the part number on them. 1/2 inch, number 12, and it reminds you to wear safety glasses. Cool. So they're 1/2 inch, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, 1/4 inch, 7/32, 3/16, 5/32, 1/8, 3/32, 5/64, and then you got your 1/16. The little guy probably all hidden in there. Yeah, he's in there though, guys. Don't worry. And then we got the little tiny one. Each one of these, even the small ones, are labeled with a part number. This one says 25001. That's pretty cool. So that way if you break them, then you can be able to replace them to get your complete set. So let's roll this one up. I think that's my favorite part about this, is that they come with that. Look at that. So you put that right in your toolbox, and then you'd be able to know, oh, hey, that's my 12-piece pilot punch. Boom. You know, we got it right there. So let's open up the other one. Same thing. Let's slice it up at the top. That way we don't cut ourselves on those staples. And this one's the 61044 14-piece punch and chisel set. Same Velcro. Okay, look at this. Wow, okay. So we got the punches. And then you have the chisels at the end. Let's make sure we're not missing any in here. Feels like that one. No, nope. There's not supposed to be one right there. Okay, so we got our 3/8, 1/8, 3/16, 1/8, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32. Oh, these are solid punch, and then you got pin punch. A solid punch, line up punch, and a solid punch. Different types of punches in here, you guys. That's really cool. It gives you a variety. This is a great set. You guys should definitely pick up. And then you'd have replacement pieces in this one right here. 5/32, 3/16. These are all pin punches, 1/4 inch. Then you got your cold chisels. 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4. My hand's getting a little bit of the grease on them. They have grease on them so that way they don't rust while they're in storage. Great set, you guys. I have this available on promotion this month for September. On sale on vermonttoolcompany.com. You buy one, you get the other one for free. Take a look.